Hi traders, Leisha Leslie here with your chart of the week. Let's talk about what happened on Friday. The last week and a half or so, going back to Friday the 28th of November, the market has struggled against my median line, trying to break out. Even though we were looking like higher highs and higher lows, and actually Thursday's action looked like we could possibly break out to the upside with a close barely over that median line. Well, Friday, not a great day. It did manage to close above my 68.28 and a quarter support on the futures. Mind you, the convergence of the 21 and the 50-day support is just below here. Remember, the close is always more important than the intra-session. The close did manage to close above that support. Anything can happen next week. We can get some sideways action. We can get some follow through the moving averages down to 6,700. We could get a Harami candle negating this bearishness and rally back to our previous highs. Many things can happen. Let's look at the bonds. Now, the Fed came out with their rate cut and also their plan to provide more money into the system with liquidity. They liked it on Thursday, but bonds made a big reversal and now they're coming up on support. This is IEF. Watch 96.10 on IEF. And on TLT, right down, just closing that gap that was created way back on September 5th. This is important. Watch 87.24 on TLT. Big gap after that big reversal, couldn't close above the 200-day on the 20-plus year TLT. Anything can happen here. Generally, well, as you can see, a lot of times this is gappy, but a breakaway gap, you stay in that area the day or two, you continue in the same direction. Now, if bonds continue lower, I think it'll take the rest of the market lower. We could get a bounce from here. This is support, so keep your eye on that. Also, Bitcoin this week giving a little head fake that it may rally. Could not hold its rally. Still struggling against that downtrend line, lining up with my pitchfork resistance. Watch 89.311 on Bitcoin. Probably a lot of sideways action this weekend here. Anyway, that's my take on what's going on. I think you need to watch all three of these to kind of get an idea what we could do next week. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Have a great weekend.